This video is going to discuss how to use market profile technology combined with range charting and its pattern recognition to find very high probability trades. Market profile technology basically shows you where most traders have their positions. It's the line in the middle. Then you have the upper value area and the lower value area. And for this 4-hour bar, as you can see right here, this is where it spent about 68% of its trading time in trading price, trading activity. The point of control is in the middle, upper and lower value area again, and it can be used in a slew of different ways. It acts as support resistance, especially the point of control. When price breaks out above it, comes down and touches it, it oftentimes acts as support and allows you to get a high probability trade. When these areas are broken through, for example, when we're in a downtrend right here, when price during this hour right here breaks above the previous 4 hours point of control, and especially the upper value area, it's the beginning of a possible new uptrend, as you can see. So it can allow you to get into longer term trends quicker. Now this is a 4-hour chart. This works on any time frame you want. There's a 30-minute chart. You can see it works. It'll even work on a 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart, and so forth. And you can obviously also put it on daily. I only have it set to get tick data for 5 days. It has to be created with tick data, but it works on daily and weekly charts as well. And these daily levels can also be put on your charts. If you bring up a euro-dollar chart or any of the currency charts, if you go to add script and put on value areas, it will show you the previous days and previous weeks point of control and upper and lower value area. And it's very significant. The small thin ones are the previous days, the thicker ones are the previous weeks. So at a glance here, you can see we're above last week's point of or upper value area. You can see how this area acted as support and kind of a magnet towards price. And notice how the upper value area acted as resistance. That's how this works. And obviously you can put in any currency you want. There's a dollar Swiss. We'll show you the areas. And typically underneath the point of control, price goes down. Above it, price goes up. A lot of times when it's in between the upper and lower value area, price chops around. And as you can see, it acts as a major resistance area. Very high probability place to get short. Now, there's so many different ways of using this. We have both the daily and weekly that can be added to the chart. Let's put this back to 240 minutes. We also allow you to see intraday time frame value areas on your chart. That's a study or script right here called FX value area intraday. That lets you see the previous 4-hour point of control and upper lower value area. So as soon as the 4-hour period ends, that point of control shows for the next period. For instance, yesterday, the first 4-hour bar of the day, you can see the value area is 1.3515. And that's what shows up right here. Now, a lot of people might not want to see these on your chart. If you add every indicator that has any potential to help you find trades, you would have a chart with so many lines, squiggles, and stuff on it that it would be hard to read. So you can remove that, knowing that our FX trading signals actually show and use these value areas to find very high probability places to buy, sell, small loss, buy, big win, buy, big win. And this is only showing, our FX Forex trading signals is only showing the patterns that are based on the 4-hour point of control, which I just went over. Here's another example with the pound dollar. You can see how the value areas act as resistance. And what's nice about these is typically these areas are so significant that they either work, or when they fail, price is almost always going to go the other direction. And let me go ahead and add the lines on the chart so you can actually see them again. FX value areas intraday, and I have it set the default for 4 hours. It shows the previous 4 hours point of control and upper and lower value areas. And so coming to it from underneath, it acts as resistance. Once it breaks above there, it acts as support. You can see a nice little 20 pip move here, and this trade here, failed. And like I said, when these fail to work, typically price will go the other way, which it did, another 15 pips down. Comes up. Now that we're in a downtrend, we're analyzing all the swings. We look for a sell, big move, another sell, big move. The trend's up. We're looking, for a buy, and this one failed. Obviously, price then proceeded to the downside. So again, you don't have to show these on your charts. You can just use our Forex signals and spot that particular pattern. Now, our FX Forex trade signals have over 150 different types of trades. This is just one of them. We use swing analysis. We use Fibonacci pullbacks and retracements. We use 3-line break trades. We use Hurst polynomial regression bands, regular linear regression bands, and a slew of our statistical tools for confirmation. Most of our signals have about 15 to 25 different rules that all have to be met before a signal shows up on the chart. But like I was saying, you don't have to understand market profile technology in order to use it in your trading. It is one of the more complicated methods. It can be used for support, resistance. You can use it to know when a trend is over and to get into a counter trend method. Those signals will be showing up in our Forex trade signals in the future. And again, you don't have to understand all the advanced rules that are required before an entry is met. If you learned every single one of our rules for 150 different patterns, it could take you 3 or 4 years. I've been trading for over 12 years, created this software for my own trading, and I have these signals automated for my own accounts. Maybe someday in the future we'll offer automated trading, or probably more likely manage other people's money using our technology. But for now, you will see these signals, and you can improve these signals' accuracy by using our currency indexes and our currency meter. But that's a more advanced topic, and you can see those in action every day on our Forex blog. So if you're watching this video from YouTube, make sure you go to leveragefx.com, click on our Forex articles section, and take a look at range, bars, and market profile article to see some text and some pictures that further illustrate how to use this very amazing tool.